What we are getting up to today is building some cabinetry. So this cabinetry will be floor to ceiling. It will have a little bench seat, some top cabinets, a bottom cabinet, and I'll show you how we do it.
Alright, we are back for episode 2 of the renovation series. What we'll be getting up to is making lots of cabinetry for all 3 rooms. We'll be doing all the finishing touches, all the handles, so come with us and see what we get up to. Alright, me and Gazbag, we are ready to make all of our cabinetry. So we have got a cut list. We're just going to go through and cut all of our boxes ready to go to put together. What we use is just a track saw and we get them all cut nice and straight, put a square on it so they'll go together nice and easy. It is now time to assemble all of the boxes. So what I'm going to do is just go through, clamp my back piece on, and then I'm just going to go through with a taper drill bit, drill all the holes, screw them on, and repeat.
You do that all day.
Because we use our manners.
You go move. Move it. Milo. You're like, what? Where do you want me to go? You're right.
Move it. Is this the bit you want?
Yeah. I want that bit. It is now about 6:30 at night and I have just finished painting all of our cupboard doors. So we chose timeless grey for our colour and they came out pretty good. We have got all of our doors all ready to go. They have been painted. We have got all of our soft close hinges in. So we are ready to install. Hey mate. Yeah.
It is now time to do the finishing touches in the office. So we have just installed this paneling and it's come up really nice. Now we are up to installing our doors for this cabinetry. What we do here is we put a 3mm packer between all of our doors so we can install it. The hallway cabinetry is now going in. As you can see, we've got our little bench seat, we've got floor to ceiling cabinetry, and this will be a little nook, if you want to call it that. So we will just install all of our doors and then we can just adjust them with a little screwdriver and they'll be ready to go.
Right, guys, another beer, another day. I've just finished my nook. This is where you will come for a beer or two. After a big week, big day, just sit in here, have a beer or two by yourself.
In the hallway.
In the hallway of your home.
And you look at what? The plain wall.
Well, sometimes people live a sad life. Cheers, guys.
now finished the office, the hallway and the bedroom, so I hope you enjoyed it. We will be moving on to another big renovation next, so I hope you like and subscribe and enjoy it.